shoulders or pain in your neck, this is going to be a great exercise for you. A good pre-test that you can do. As you can see, I've got good range on this shoulder. This shoulder is a little bit restricted at that end range, and you may notice, oh, that's really surprising, because how many times you reach your arm over a head? Not many, but you don't realize how detrimental that restricted range is having on how you're feeling and the energy that you have. We're going to be using the lacrosse ball on different points in through the trap up here. You can move downwards in through the shoulder blade, down through here. Anywhere that's really tender is all fair game around the shoulder muscles. You're going to lay on your back, okay? You can do this up against the wall, but this allows us to get more pressure. So I'm going to put the ball right here behind my shoulder blade. Now I'm just finding a spot that's uncomfortable for me. And beyond comfort is where greatness lies. And you're going to get up into a bridge position so that you can use your body weight to exert more pressure there. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm going to take a deep breath in. And I'm going to breathe out. I'm going to bring this arm overhead. Now, if you feel stuck here, that's okay. Push into the ball again. Find that spot. Breathe in. Breathe out. It doesn't feel good at first, but it'll start to loosen up. Just think that you're melted into the ball. Breathe in. Breathe out. It's on the breath out that you're lengthening and getting more range back into that shoulder and releasing the muscles in through the shoulder, allowing your brain to let go of that area. Good. Now attack multiple areas through there. I'm going to get back up here, and you can see already that my shoulder range is much better. I can lock that down. Do this every day. Whenever you got discomfort or before a workout is even better, so that you can get things nice and loose and you can activate the right muscles. Let me know how it goes. Take care.